All right, another update. If you had $5,000 to trade with, how would you trade it? What would you do with it? And how would you grow it? That's what myself, Dan Jansen, and Tony Pollock are undertaking. And we're showing you precisely how we would do it so that you can have a realistic, real-life expectation on how to grow your capital, what strategies to use, and how patient you should be. Enjoy this video. All right, traders, I'm back with your 5K account challenge. If you popped over to youtube.com and type in 5K account challenge real life trading, what you'll notice is we have posted a lot of updates, a lot of videos, kind of walking you all through a plan, a perspective, what we're doing, how we're doing it, why we're doing it, all that kind of good stuff. My very first update was only 3 months ago. So if we come back over to the account, what you'll notice is we start off with $5,000 or $4 below it, and then had a nice run up really early on with a call option that I had on Tesla. Held through that call option with a really big drop, and then ended up selling it up in here. And the only other trade, the most recent update that I had, was getting into shares on AST Space Mobile and doing some covered calls. I did end up bailing on AST. We got into the trade, or I got into the trade here, around there on that time frame, and exited on this breakdown right there, which was a good move. I wouldn't have wanted to hold through this. Now, full disclosure, if I'm by myself, no one's watching my updates, and I have $5,000 in AST Mobile, I wouldn't care. I would just let it do its thing and wouldn't worry about it. But realistically, looking at the chart, it just seemed like it needed to drop. I wanted to get out. I did take a loss. It was a very small loss, only on I think it was 100 shares of AST Mobile. But again, it would come back over to TD Ameritrade. We're able to see that right here. So that was that drop back in August, where the account went from 5,700 down to 4,800. So what I did is I bailed ship, exited the position. And again, this is a very normal for an account of this size to have this kind of volatility. And I took those shares and I took the money and I purchased shares of our boy Tesla. And I started scaling into those shares after the big breakout. You might all be familiar with, on this day, back on July 29th, this one I said Tesla was breaking out, and I made the humongous, hopefully semi-famous, I will shave my beard if Tesla gets below 624 on September 20th, which has not happened, by the way, and which will not happen. So I will win that bet effective Monday. So this breakout and this analysis really did help a lot of individuals make some significant money. Had so many real life traders buy shares, buy calls, sell puts, get into bull put spreads, get into leaps, all kinds of things. And since then, we can see it broke out, retested perfectly, and is slowly grinding higher. So my current account right now, if we pop back over to TD Ameritrade and we click on positions, you'll notice the whole account is just in shares of Tesla. And what's amazing is you'll also notice that the market value is about $11,000, which means I did use margin. So I am using a margin account. I took my $5,000, I margined up, I bought an unbreakable basket, right? A company I know for sure will go higher in time and will not go to zero. So leveraging in at the appropriate time, buying low. So not buying here, but buying here. Average cost basis is under 680, and buying low. So getting into positions, buying low, allowing the stock to slowly grind up, being in shares rather than call options. And the reason I'm being in shares is so that I don't have to press my luck. I don't have to fight against time. I don't have to battle time. And again, the point of this entire project and program is to show everyone a real life expectation that it does take time to grow an account of this size. It takes time, it takes a lot of patience, and it takes a lot of diligence. So on TD Ameritrade, right now I have an $851 gain. I do expect Tesla to hit the target of 777 probably in the next 2-3 weeks. Now, the longer we trade sideways here, the higher I might increase that target, since I am in shares and shares don't expire. I can hold those for a while. Beautiful hammer here on September 3rd. We broke above there. We have 5 white candles in a row, so I do expect at some point some type of snapback, pull back into the 20 again, and kind of get suppressed higher from there. But I like the overall trend. You got bullish on most time frames. Really beautiful weekly chart. Very nice hammer. I'm a fan. So I'm gonna leave this target alone, and if we hit it, I'll make an extra $200-300, and then I'll take the $6,400 or so that's in the TD Ameritrade account that I started with 5,000, and I will leverage it into another unbreakable basket, most likely with shares, and start leveraging in, buying into it, buying low, selling high, and scaling out another time and slowly growing this. By the end of the year, by the end of 1 year of being in this, I do expect it to double, which again, doubling an account is amazing. If you can do that, that's huge, because all you have to do is do that 2 or 3 different times and you can talk about some serious money. So 5 goes to 10, 10 goes to 20, 20 goes to 40, and 40 goes to 80. If that takes you 4 years to do that, you now have $80,000. If you do it slowly, consistently, profitably, with discipline, you can absolutely make some substantial profits with $80,000. It can be bill paying money, they can pay off debt, they can buy you assets, and you can really start beginning to live the life of your dreams. Am I showing you that it takes time? Yes. Am I showing you that it takes work? Yes. Am I showing you that I'm winning? Yes. Am I showing you that I had to hold through some losers? Absolutely. My friends, you can do this, I can do this, we all can do this together. It just takes discipline, consistency, and patience. That's why we spell it with a Y. Thank you so much for watching this video. You absolutely rock. Have a wonderful rest of your day, night, week, year, quarter, wherever you might be in the world. The sun is always shining somewhere.